Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to retarget a Meshcapade motion onto any character inside Maya using HumanIK. We'll go step by step, from preparing the animation to setting up HumanIK to retargeting the motion cleanly onto your custom rig. Step 1. Prepare the animation. Start by downloading your motion file as an FBX from the Meshcapade platform, and then import it into Maya. By default, Meshcapade motions begin at frame 1. Move one frame back to frame 0. This will become our base T-pose frame for character definition later. Next, we'll reset the skeleton to a T-pose on frame 0. You can do this two ways, using our provided Python script or manually through the outliner. If you're using the script, make sure you've downloaded the script file from the Meshcapade resources. In Maya, select the root joint of your Meshcapade rig. Then, under Windows, General Editors, open the script editor. Go to File, open Script. Load the script and hit Execute All. The rig will snap into a perfect T-pose on frame 0. That's your reference pose, clean and ready for retargeting. Alternatively, you can expand the skeleton hierarchy. Select all joints, zero out the rotation channels, and keyframe that pose on frame 0. Now, frame 0 holds the T-pose, and frame 1 begins the animation. This simple step ensures HumanIK can correctly recognize and map the skeleton. Step 2. Set up HumanIK. Next, open the HumanIK panel. It's the little human icon in the top right corner of the Maya interface. Click Create Character Definition. Select your Meshcapade rig in the viewport. Then click Load Skeleton Definition and choose the provided template file. This template perfectly matches the Meshcapade skeleton, so the mapping is instant and accurate. Repeat the same process for your target character, or use one of Maya's sample rigs if you're just testing. To link the animation data directly from the Meshcapade skeleton to your target rig, open the Source dropdown under your target character and select the Meshcapade character as the source. Hit play on the timeline, and you should see your target character performing the Meshcapade motion perfectly. Step 3. Retarget and bake the animation. Now that the retargeting is working, we need to bake the animation. Right now, the target character is only driven by the Meshcapade rig, so if we remove that source, the motion disappears. To make it permanent, select your target character in the HumanIK panel. Click the blue character icon and choose Bake to Skeleton or Bake to Control Rig. This creates real keyframes on your target rig, so you can edit or export the animation freely. After baking, the target character is no longer connected to the source. And that's it. Your Meshcapade motion is now fully retargeted through HumanIK, clean, accurate, and ready for rendering or export. This workflow gives you a solid base for any motion transfer project, whether you're animating in Maya, Unreal, or beyond. Thanks for watching. For more guides, scripts, and resources, check out Meshcapade's knowledge base and our Discord community.